YouTube, we're back. What do you call these episodes? Or
series?
Yeah, but what are they? Video vlogs? Are the episodes? Right.
All that lot. We're just vlogging, aren't we?
Right, so welcome back to the vlog, as John would say.
Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back, John.
Welcome back, Matthew.
What we've done, we've dragged the silver Baguette 2 from John's into the Garage of Dreams, where we're going to start stripping this down, because this is our donor car, and we're going to start putting it onto the Baguette 6.9, which is the black one you saw us collect from Carlisle.
Yeah.
YouTube hands.
Right, now
to the live action. Oh, it's burning out.
That's left in it.
Hi.
Hello.
Hiya.
She's arrived. She has arrived.
Right in, push! Are you breaking?
It's the camera!
Sound. Yeah,
The camera's breaking!
I didn't want to hit the camera.
Right, we've decided to get the bonnet off and hang it on the wall so that we can make a list. We proper think we're cool doing this. We've seen this before on YouTube, obviously.
First things first, let's make a list of the Baguette 6.9 project. Engine out. So, engine out. Box. Rad.
Exhaust.
Milled set needs to come off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Exhaust.
Seats. Dash.
Wow.
Steering column. Yeah, we need all the loom out.
Do we actually?
Yeah,
Yeah.
loom out.
You need glass?
No, it's got all the glass in it.
Does it, yeah?
Both window screens are cracked anyway, so
Yeah.
it's no good. To be honest, we need to leave this as a rolling shell, so...
Yeah, so all of that is just internal. None of that is going to cause an issue of making it roll, is it?
Right, well that's part one, and then we'll add to that in the future.
Yeah, but that's still a big old job.
Yeah, obviously we need to get the front end off to do that as well.
And then obviously all of that on that side, this is
Out.
bag 2.
Bag 6.9.
Either side of the slit.
Right, okay, so what we're doing, we're going to bring the black one back here to put all this stuff back in the black one when we put the engine in. But you've got to get it to
I've got to get it to a rolling chassis, obviously, yeah. So obviously we've got films of this. I've sort of stripped the underneath. I'm halfway through. I do need the boys to come and give me a lift because the petrol tank's still got fuel in it. I'm obviously working on my back like that. Yeah, and that's going off to get powder coated. Once that's done and we polybush it, this can all go on that. Yeah. Because the shocks off this, yeah, we'll clean them up, but they're pretty new. They're not new as in age, but they're new as in time. So the brakes are all done, but obviously I think we might get the brakes powder coated as well. We're going all in.
Phase 1 rolling chassis.
That's it. Yeah. Right. Yeah, nothing has been touched other than since that day we've stripped rolling parts. There's no reason why that battery is not ready to roll now.
Let's make sure it starts before we... case we're wasting our time. Give me a minute. Let me.
Well, it's flashing.
We got flashing.
We've got flashing.
Hit it, John.
Oh, not the window.
Got no drive shafts anyway.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Such a beast.
That drill tip makes a massive
It's
difference.
such a beast. So, if I go to put this in gear now, if it's something wrong with the gearbox or the clutch, it's going to make the noise, isn't it? Yeah. I should do it so that drive shaft. Telling you.
Have you got your Bluetooth on?
Yeah, Bluetooth drive shaft.
You got your Bluetooth on, yeah?
Yeah.
We know it was that shaft. We know it was that drive shaft.
Wow. See what I mean? Like them days that we were there, mate, we were underprepared and over-focused on just having fun. Had we have had a look, could have continued. Had we have been more King of New York, we could have made lessons learned, didn't it?
We're not very prepared. They're not like.
She is an absolute soldier, mate.
We don't have to be doing any problems of what we thought of diagnosing gearbox faults, etc. Now we know, yeah, it's all coming apart to get painted, but it's all still fresh.
Yeah.
Which is happy days, really. So, apart from the new stuff, what we've already discussed, we're going to get them rose joints, the poly bushes.
Roll centre kit. So basically,
that
when
one.
we're lowering the car, we want all the arms to be level.
Everything else is just tidy up and go back in, isn't it?
Yeah. So I think with this now we get some.
Smells lovely.
Yeah, I tell you, I love that.
I love it.
We get some baggies. We start every bolt that comes off.
Yeah.
We start collecting and.
Well, again, I'm not saying I am because it might be a bit too much on the thing that, but ideally, if we could find somewhere to get the nut and bolts, mate, and replace it. There was a place Till and Whitehead, but I'm not.
Key fasteners, I've just used them on.
That would be nice, mate, to be able to just get.
You just measure them. You get.
No, you just. If we just take them in the baggies and just say, mate, I need.
Just measure them. So basically, you measure your pitch, you measure your diameter, and you measure your length. And then obviously you've got your different heads on them. So
because
your hex, your button head.
Obviously, it's not like everything that's on and off this car at some point could potentially be coming on and off again. So it'd be nice that everything's easy to just boom, boom, boom. Exactly like a full race car, that's basically.
So for me, if I was you, I would do on the new one, I'd relocate the battery just to give you all that extra space.
Exactly. And I can put a treater to a new air filter, but again, let's get it rolling.
Yeah.
Get all that engine bay looking.
It's nice to have a little bit of a plan in the future.
Of course.
So one of the main things
isn't it? It's all in the end.
Yeah, one of the main things obviously when the engine's out, so you can get all the heat.
And obviously after seeing other ones, it'd be nice to put them that way on the new bonnet rather than what I did with them.
Yeah, but you go off these bits there.
Yes, I didn't know that, obviously. And I had holes already, didn't I, from my old bonnet pins, so I just tried to stay in them holes, to be fair. But no, I'm happy now. Like, obviously, it's moving now, isn't it?
Even when you feel low, you can stay low.
Well, I didn't have too much time because I was going to the match, so we decided just to get the bumper off and start seeing how hard it is to get the front cross member off. And then one thing led to another. We decided to get the radiator out. I didn't really have anywhere to drop the water, but we decided to drop the water anyway. And as you'll see, things escalated very quickly when we decided we're going to go for it and get this engine out. Well, the plan with this one is we'll get it stripped here, we'll get the seats out, we'll get the exhaust out, we'll leave it as a rolling shell, we'll roll this back round to John's, We'll drag the black one round here on the A-frame, the same as what you saw before with the silver car. We'll then get this engine mounted back in that one, but not before we give it a good spruce up, paint the block, clean up the gearbox, wrinkle paint the intake. And while we've got it on the engine stand, we might as well give it a service, even though we don't have to do the timing belt or the face, because that has just been done on this. But while we can get all the way around the engine, we might as well swap the gaskets on the manifold, change the oil filter, and generally just anything else that needs doing.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the grey matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explode.
You can't hear it here, but I've got the compressor going. I love this air ratchet. Awesome for getting round into tight spaces. Definitely worth investing. Having the right tools can definitely make some of these jobs a lot easier. Look at the state of my floor. We mixed all the coolant in with some power steering fluid, making it very slippy. Next, we've got to get underneath, get the lower rear gearbox stabiliser mount out.
Best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
As you can see, I've already got the winch hooked up. And once we've got this engine suspended, we can start getting the top mounts out.
And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
John was round the back making sure everything was clear. Disconnected the starter motor. Got all the loom cabling out of the way. And we started lifting her out. We found that the power steering pump was fouling, so we decided to get that removed, which made life a lot easier. And then, out she came. That, my pedigree chum, is how you remove a Clio 172 engine.
1 hour 9 minutes, give or take. Ta-da!
Again, no, the drive shafts are already out, which makes this job a
Yeah,
lot
of course. We've literally just had to disconnect the loom, the exhaust, the hoses.
Take front end off, take all the radiator off, water pipes off, drop the engine mounts, disconnected the Miltech exhaust manifold, rolled the car back out, as you've just seen. What's next, mate? What's next?
What's next is we may as well take that back to mine.
We have to carry on stripping this, so we have to get the steering rack out of this, get the exhaust off, get the seats out, get the steering column.
Whoa, mate, we've actually... Bosh.
Yeah, and then we can get rid of this shell, or you can do whatever you want to do. Put it in your front room or your back garden.
I'm thinking of keeping hold of it, to be honest. Who knows?
He's a hoarder.
Clearly, mate.
Right, so, as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.
And share it if you like.
Yeah, don't forget to share it.
But don't forget, most of all, tell your mum, tell your nan. We'll see you on the next.